Hi all, I just wanted to give you a quick update on Revenue's new guidelines that just got published last month, specifically around rental costs. So you might remember from previous guidelines that Revenue unexpectedly inserted the following sentence, and much to the consternation of advisors, because this was kind of an unflagged change that they were going to put in. So they've gone back and readdressed it, but probably not in the way that we would have hoped. So Revenue have come back in their new guidelines that got published and said that rent only qualifies as qualifying R&D expenditure in the scenario where the facility offers some kind of specialised function that allows the R&D to occur. So if you have a clean room or a lab that's required for the R&D to take place, then you can include rental costs. If, like the majority of claimants, you just have an office space and the R&D has been carried out in office space, and as such there's no specialised function allowed by that office space, then those costs are no longer allowable from an R&D tax credit perspective. Again, there's no legislative change here. Revenue's interpretation has changed, probably an aggressive enough interpretation from them on what can be qualifying costs. And again, you would question whether or not the legislation says or even indicates that this interpretation will be valid in a court, but unless you're willing to go to an appeal against the Revenue on it, you're better off obeying their instructions on it and not claiming rental costs in your R&D tax credits going forward, unless you have that specialised scenario that was outlined. If you have any questions or if you'd like to know any more, you can contact me with the details as seen on screen. Thanks for listening.